Welcome, and let's talk about Tron TRX price prediction by the year 2025. Now, Tron is ranked number 13 crypto coin with the highest market cap. With this alone, this is to tell you that a lot of people have invested in Tron TRX. Now, let's take a look at how much can we make from Tron. Is Tron worth investing our hard-earned money on? Well, the truth is this: we are expecting Tron to hit over 1000% by the end of 2025. Now, a lot of people don't believe Tron can hit 1000%. A lot of people have been predicting Tron to hit between 200 and 300% by the end of 2025. The reason why we believe that Tron can hit 1000% is because, number one, if you take a look at the market cap of Tron, a lot of people have invested on Tron and a lot of people still believe on Tron. That is why this token is ranked number 13. Now, Tron have a market cap of $7.7 billion at the time of recording this video. Another thing that will push Tron to hit over 1000%, that is to say, we are expecting Tron to be trading between 80 cents and $1.20. Remember, Tron is trading at 8 cents at the time of recording this video. Now, Tron have a lot of major and mega partnership with different companies. For example, the partnership with Sony Interactive Entertainment will not just help Tron, but will help to increase the value of Tron. Tron and DAO Maker formed a partnership to expand the blockchain key store. Another partnership is Tron has marked its presence in the metaverse space by partnering with Meta Estate to build first ever ecological complex. All this will help the price of Tron. And one of the partnership I need to mention is the Tron collaboration with Samsung. That is to say, on behalf of all blockchain projects in China, Tron have also bought BitTorrent token. That's to tell you these people are doing well and they are doing great. And we hope with all these partnerships and with Tron being ranked number 13 crypto coin with the highest market cap, expect the price of Tron to increase by the end of 2025. In fact, we are expecting Tron to actually hit over 1000%. That is to say, $100 investment will return about $1,000, and a $1,000 investment will return about $10,000. Once again, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.